SUS Airlines has been launched. Please tuck in your seatbelts. Another SUS Airlines will launch. Bro, this thing is tipping over. Is this Ohio? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. To be continued. You should be going to Canada. There's no landing spot. We would all die. What the heck? I thought this was a great freaking place. We will go crashing. Please tuck in your seatbelts. This happened. Used to no fuel. But this is the part where safety landed. Let's watch the part. Dun, dun, dun. This is our captain speaking. We are landing. Finally, there's like no voodoo. What is it, voodoo? It's another Ohio drink. Don't say the Ohio drink, it has bad words. Oh, the wind is kind of wobbly. It will be fine. Also, I bumped my head. Ouch. I should give myself medic stuff. Bandage. Dun dun dun. Take off your seatbelt, please, because we have landed in Canada. How did he got vanished? I don't know, maybe he just already leave so fast. Okay. You should get out of this plane right now. Because I don't know why. We get out the plane. before I'll blow up this plane. Dude, he's so dumb. Yeah. Oh, maybe that's why they call it Ohio plane. This is not an Ohio plane. It's more sus plane. Now let me get off the plane. I'm gonna vanish. Bye. And my chair will vanish too because I can talk too. That was a weird airline. Now my seatbelt's off. I can finally get off this weird monstrosity. I will now go. Bye. What about me? You got it. Look, yeah. I'm out of this stupid plane. Let's go. And this plane's not built different. It was on me. This video shows a plane crashing over the middle of nowhere in a tall mountain. Let's watch the clip. This is how it looks like. A plane tipped over and it's going head for ground. Let's watch it in real time. This is your captain speaking. We are going to crash. What? I thought this airlines will be great. Race for impact. Yeah. Oh fuck. Oops. Forgot some. Bombs will make it fun. Let's do it. I will tell you how to build an official plane. Watch. Let's build a simple plane for you to build. My plane was stupid because there's no melon mod. There's no video to tell me how to build a plane. Plus, it's impossible to build a plane. But let me show you how to make one a simple way. Step 1. Bring out this thing. Step 2. Make a wing. Step 3. Grab this thing and attach it to the wing. Step 4. Don't disable something because I don't know how to disable. I don't know. The plane should be ready to go without any bad reviews. Let's test. Your plane should be flying. See, the official plane has been built, but it crashes because I use a different map. Let's do on a different map. No, I'm not gonna do it because I'm gonna end this video here.